Welcome to Super Simple Sauppe. We make super simple things for busy families like us.
Today we are going to make pancakes!
I usually make pancakes on the days where there are no school.
The things you need are flour, egg, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, sugar, oil, milk, and water.
You can also use melted butter instead of oil.
So let's start.
First, put all of your dry ingredients in the bowl.
Oh, whoa, it popped that poofy. Poofy, poofy. Now let's crack the eggs.
These are eggs from our chickens. Our chickens lay eggs about every day in the springtime, but in the wintertime, they don't lay a lot of eggs because it's cold. Oh. It's really easy to take care of chickens, too.
Well, that one was a dark yolk.
Our chickens like to eat vegetables. They also like to eat grass. One of their favorite vegetables that they like to eat is cucumber. I cut up some cucumber and then feed it to them and they eat it like crazy. It's kind of funny actually.
They also love grapes.
I know.
In the summertime, we would feed them grapes and they would just gobble, gobble, gobble them up.
Yep. See how dark the yolks are? Our chickens also like to eat worms and insects, which help make the yolk dark.
I took the shells out because some shells were in the bowl. Always wash your hands after cracking the eggs. Now put all your wet ingredients into the bowl.
Whoa, I fluffed up a lot. Now we mix it all together. And then you scrape the sides just to make sure that everything is mixed into the bowl.
And there's no powder on the sides. See, there's powder on the sides right here. You gotta scrape that. So everything will be combined.
Now let's mix it again until all the lumps are well blended.
Put some oil on your pan, and then we're ready to fry the pancakes. I think I gotta put the bowl closer.
I think this is about ready. I'm going to flip it now. Whoa.
That is a perfect pancake. That one too.
Well, that got stuck a little bit, but that's okay. You can always make more.
Let me check if this one is ready. Whoa, it is ready. I need to put it on the plate.
pancakes are ready.
The pancakes are so fluffy and warm and brown. I can't wait to try it.
You can eat it with maple syrup, with jam, with chocolate spread, or you can just eat it by itself. Let's dig in. Mmm.
So good and perfect and fluffy.
Thank you for watching Super Simple Sauppe. If you like this video,
Please comment
and like,
and subscribe. We'd like to say hi to Tatiana and her students in Russia.
to all of you who keep supporting our videos, thank you. We love you all.
Bye.
Bye.